Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I get asked a lot, what are the molds that I should buy? What are the molds that I should start out with? So I have many molds and I use them all, but there's a couple molds that I use more than most. And so I'm gonna make this video just to tell you guys the molds that I use the most. So I'm just gonna start. Let me just grab these. The first one is a poison tail jig. This one is the larger. They actually make two different ones. They make one with kind of smaller sizes, and then they make the larger sizes. This mold is a 1/2 ounce, 3/4, and a 1 ounce. To be honest with you, I rarely touch the 1 ounce, and I honestly rarely touch the 3/4. But the 1/2 ounce poison tail jig is amazing for flipping. And I know it's a little bit bigger, but it's also awesome for swimming. Usually if I'm fishing a swim jig, I'm gonna go, 3/8 or 1/4. But when it comes to the poison tail jig, the 1/2 ounce is very hard to beat. Okay, mold number 2, the casting jig. Okay, so now this is gonna be my go-to swim jig, okay? This one is a 1/4, 3/16, and an 1/8. So it's small. Let's pick it up there. Okay, so as you can tell, I use the 1/4. I use this one a lot when it comes to swim jigs. This is like one of my go-tos for swim jigs, the casting jig. Okay, here's number 3. This is the Finesse Drop Shot. Okay, so this is the Finesse Drop Shot. I got this one. This is all in a 1/4 ounce. Okay, they have a couple different ones, a lot of different sizes, but I see myself using the 1/4 ounce almost every single time. Perfect drop shot weight. It's they call it the pencil style or the finesse style, but yeah, that's a must-have. And then the last mold is actually, might be a surprise for you guys, but it's actually the Buzzkill. Okay, I love fishing buzz baits. Buzz baits is probably one of my favorite ways to fish, man. I love the top water, I love the action, and this makes an amazing buzz bait. If you like buzz baits and you want to make your own buzz baits, this is a must-have. So that's why I say go with this one. So those are my 4 molds that I love. I love the poison tail, I love the casting jig, I love the drop shot and the pencil, and I also love the buzz bait. Now that being said, I also love the teardrop for the drop shot. I kind of fish them, I don't know which one I fish really more, but the teardrop is in a multiple different sizes. If they had a teardrop in just a straight 1/4, I'd probably buy, I would definitely buy that, but I would probably use that the most. But I like using this production mold, I guess you would call it, because it has so many cavities and you can make so many of 1/4 drop shot weights in one pour. So alright guys, that's my video. Hopefully you liked it, hopefully you learned something. I mean, like I said, I have many different molds, but these are the molds that I use the most. Alright guys, that guy Skimpy, please subscribe. So like I was saying, I have many molds, many molds. And believe it or not, I use them all. But those are the 4 that I probably use the most.